When you need to repair a leaking pipe, twist lock slip connectors offer you the perfect solution. With reduced installation times compared to traditional fittings, the twist lock repair coupling is the ideal solution in an emergency. How to repair. 1. First, ensure that the damaged pipe is clean. 2. Cut the damaged pipe to the instructed length C shown in our specification. 3. Connect the slip port to the pipe and slide it on until you are able to make a connection with the opposite side. 4. Connect the repair coupling to the other pipe and arrange the position of the coupling to get the perfect connection.